Okay, check the sound. Come from Karo Highland, North Sumatra. Paul and Bitri voice is in the house.
Hi students, hello, how are you today?
How are you, ma'am?
Okay, right students, so before we start our lesson, let's lead our prayer first, okay?
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together.
Okay, students, so here is the link of our attendance list. Don't forget to fill this link.
Okay, students, as usual, I always remind you to apply the health protocol.
Jangan lupa memakai masker, menjaga jarak, dan selalu mencuci tangan.
Start our topic today. I would like to ask you, who still remember our previous topic? Yes, very good. So, last week, we learned about short message, right? And today we are going to learn about notice. Who can relate, okay, between short message and notice?
Me, ma'am, me. I think short message, ma'am, itu sama notice ya, ma'am, notice. Dua-duanya to inform, ma'am, to give information, ma'am.
Very good, Connie. Okay, yes. What you have said is true, okay? So, short message and notice, okay? They can give us information. So, it is very good.
So I would like to ask you about this picture. Whenever you want to go to some places, I believe that you often see this picture or sign, okay? According to you, if you see this picture of sign, okay, what will you do?
Saya, ma'am, using if I see this picture, I will sanitize tangan saya, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so whenever we see this sign, we are going to wash our hands or sanitize our hands first.
So students, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah setelah mengikuti proses pembelajaran dengan pendekatan saintifik dan model pembelajaran problem-based learning, so this is the benefits of learning this material. As we know, sebagaimana yang kita tahu, that COVID-19 nowadays is very dangerous. Okay, most of the people get infected by the COVID-19. Sekarang ini sudah banyak penelitian-penelitian yang dilakukan untuk bisa segera mengatasi pandemi COVID-19, ya kan? As we know that China nowadays has found one application that can detect, okay, the COVID-19.
Okay, class. So to make you more understand about what notice is, Ma'am akan putar video, and then from this video, dari video ini nanti Ma'am akan meminta respon kalian. You watch the video? Yes? Okay. So, what do you think about the video? Do you get the problem in the video? Why don't the students, your friends, whenever they go to school, they don't apply the health protocol? Okay.
Karena di gambar itu tidak ada tanda untuk mencuci tangan dan pakai masker, ma'am.
Oh, so far, is there anything that you want to ask from the video about notice?
Ma'am,
Yes, please, Natasha.
bagaimana cara notice dalam
Bagaimana cara
bahasa Inggris, ma'am?
Oh, bagaimana cara membuat notice yang benar? That's your question. Itu pertanyaannya, Nak.
Yeah, ma'am.
To make you more understand about the notice, I will give you the worksheet and then you will discuss, okay, the answers of this notice with your groups. After that, we will see the result of your discussion, okay? Untuk mencari informasi melalui blog yang sudah nanti ma'am sediakan. Okay? Right. Okay, class, now you are in a breakout room and I want you to analyze our first worksheet. Okay, silahkan dianalisis generic structure, language function, and then also the language features, okay? Discuss with your friends, okay? I will go to the next group, okay?
Halo, welcome back to our main room. Okay, waktunya untuk berdiskusi sudah habis. Now it's time for you to discuss the first worksheet about the analysis of the phone notices. Don't forget to submit, okay, your first worksheet, okay, in the link of the Google Form here.
Yang pertama, yes. Any volunteer class?
Ini grup 1.
Yes, please, group 1. Very good, group 1. Yes, please, group 1. The analysis of the phone notices. Can you please read the result of your analysis? Yep.
So the social function of the first notice is to comment.
To comment, okay. Next, the second.
Notice 2 to forbid.
Okay. Notice 3.
Notice 3 to inform.
Okay, good. Notice 4.
And the fourth is to forbid.
Thank you very much. Okay. What do you think other groups about their performance, about their result? Ada komentar untuk temannya?
Group 1 is very good, ma'am.
Okay.
Jawaban mereka benar.
Okay, it is similar with you, sama dengan jawaban kalian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Analysis, okay, of these phone notices, okay, what you have said before, okay, correct, okay, the social functions to command, to forbid, and to inform, and then the generic structures, okay, attention gather and information. Good job. Now, okay, class, thank you for telling me the answers of the first worksheet. Now, again, I will divide you into the group discussion using breakout room and then discuss the second notice. Yes, so please discuss the second worksheet, okay, in the group discussion, okay. Rahel and Soraya, Santa, any problem?
No, ma'am. So far, so good.
Okay, can you find similarities and differences?
Udah, ma'am. Udah dapat kok.
We will come back to the main room, okay? Kita akan kembali ke ruang utama, okay?
Okay, now let's discuss the result of your discussion. Sekarang silahkan kita diskusikan bersama-sama hasil dari diskusi untuk worksheet yang kedua.
Yeah, as usual, okay, you can find, okay, the questions in the Google Form. Don't forget, okay, to fill the answers here, okay. I will check your answers one by one, okay. Nanti ada penilaiannya, nakku, so don't forget to do it, okay. Right, class. So, have you finished discussing about the second worksheet? The group that wants to present the result. Yes, please.
1, ma'am.
Yes, please, group 1. Okay. Group 1.
So the first text and the second text have the similarities in the generic structure.
Okay, in the
The
generic.
similarities is attention gather and information.
Okay, thank you very much, Connie. Good answer. What do you think about Connie's answer? Okay, about group 2's answer.
The answer is good. Sama-sama kayak kami menjawabannya.
Okay, the answer is good. Yes, class. So, these notices, okay, the first is to forbid, and then the second is to command. Okay, it's correct, ya kan?
So class, you have done the first and then the second notice. Now, to make you more understand about the topic of notice, please see the video that has been created in Animaker. as I told you before that notice and COVID-19, okay, are close to each other. Why do I say so? Sebagaimana yang kita tahu bahwa sekarang ini hampir di semua tempat-tempat umum kita sering sekali melihat notice.
So students, so far do you understand about the first, the second, and then about the notice itself? Sudah paham nakku tentang apa itu notice sejauh ini?
Sudah, Ma'am.
Okay, so it's time for you now to design, okay, a notice. Kalian akan mendesain sebuah notice using Canva application, okay. There are so many free templates, okay, in the Canva, okay, dan juga yang berhubungan dengan COVID, jadi nggak sulit, okay. And then design your notice as creative as you can, semenarik mungkin, okay, using font, using color, and then using pictures. Jadi desain semenarik mungkin, use your own teknik, gunakan teknik kamu dalam merancang notice yang kamu mau, okay? Jadi bagaimana supaya notice-nya nanti bagus. As your guidance, ini adalah contoh notice yang sudah membuat melalui Canva, so it is very easy. So I put here school notice, so okay. Jadi mem yakin kalian akan bisa mendesain notice. Jadi sekreatif mungkin, rancang dengan teknik sebaik mungkin, okay. I give you 5 minutes, okay. Now you can go to Canva application, langsung ke aplikasi Canva, okay. I have got a message here. Let me share for you, okay, from Soraya, and then Bella also has send the notice. Very good, class. Okay, sudah ada 3 yang selesai. Good, cepat. Okay, yes please. This is the notice from Soraya. Yes please, Soraya. Can you please read your notice?
Iya bisa ma'am. School notice was hands before entering the room.
Okay, so how do you create your notice? Apa saja yang kamu tambahkan dalam mendesain notice? Can you explain? Bisa kamu jelaskan?
Saya buat tulisannya mem huruf besar semua. Kayak mem bilang tadi kan harus warna merah ya supaya lebih menarik perhatian. Jadi
Okay, thank you very much, Soraya. Okay, class. So I have seen the result of your first, second, and third. Jadi sebagai bahan penilaian, okay, mem akan berikan nilai untuk worksheet yang pertama, atau I give the score of your affective, nilai sikapnya untuk grup 1 mem berikan nilainya 85, okay. Untuk analysis, okay, generic structure, social function, dan juga language features-nya, what you have said correct. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4, okay, I give you the score for the analysis 90, okay, karena semua jawabannya benar, tapi tadi ada beberapa keterangan yang belum ditambah dengan benar, okay. And then for the third worksheet, for Soraya, your notice is very good, sangat baik. I see all the elements, so I give you 95. Okay, group. Now I want you to conclude what we have learned today. Siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Yes, please.
Teruskan generic structures, attention, gather, baru information, language features, declarative, and imperative, ma'am.
Thank you for concluding the lesson. So students, it is true, okay? Notice is put in public areas to inform people, to instruct or comment people, or to forbid people. So as your homework, sebagai tugas di rumah, nanti mem akan kirimkan link untuk tugas di rumah.
And then I will announce your score for students who got the score lower than our standard. I will give you remedial, and then for those who reach our standard, there will be enrichment for you. Okay, class? Next meeting, our topic is personal recount. So before we leave our Zoom meeting, okay, please lead our prayer. Yes, Novita?
Let's pray.
So thank you students for today. See you again. Bye bye.